Rosie Ruffo, Pediatrics. I grew up in Cartersville, Georgia, which is a small town north of Atlanta. Went to the University of Georgia for undergrad, go Dogs. Went to medical school at Mercer University here in Savannah. And then I went on to complete my pediatrics residency at UAB in Birmingham. As a child, I always wanted to be a baby doctor. I've always loved children, and the idea of being able to take care of them was a dream job for me. One of my favorite parts about pediatrics is being able to follow a child from infancy to adulthood. It's also such a privilege to be able to get to know families and develop long-lasting relationships with them for 18 plus years. I am a new mom, and this has certainly changed my perspective and given me a new perspective as a pediatrician. It's been a humbling experience having a baby of my own and kind of learning the struggles that a new parent goes through. So I've always enjoyed baking. I think it's a great way to unplug, and it's completely different than medicine, and so it's a great outlet after a long day's work. My husband and I attended medical school here in Savannah. After getting engaged, we talked about where we thought we would want to end up, and ultimately we decided we wanted to come back to Savannah after residency. We loved the idea of living on the coast, and we knew it would be a wonderful place to establish roots. I was drawn to the culture at SouthCoast Health. All the providers have been super welcoming, and I also have always known SouthCoast Health to have a great reputation. SouthCoast Health, total wellness for life.